What up, guys? So today we're going to do something a little bit different. Today we're going to be working on a car, and I'm going to show you guys really simply how to tell whether or not your car battery needs to be replaced. So I depend on my car a lot. I need my car for work, just like I'm sure you guys do. Unfortunately, I have left my car lights on through some little mistake in a setting twice and totally killed my battery 2 times in the last month. So I don't know if now my battery is super weak and can be rescued, or just the damage has been done and I got to replace it. So I'm going to show you guys 2 ways to check if your car battery is still okay, and the 3 things that you're going to need to do this. First thing I recommend people get is one of these C-Tech 3300 battery tenders, battery chargers, whatever you want to call them. I love this one because it has 2 different modes. One is for motorcycle batteries, one is for car batteries. Motorcycle batteries are really small. If you use a big car charger on them, you're going to actually fry the little motorcycle battery. And if you try to use a little bike battery charger on a car, it's going to just take forever before it can actually charge that whole entire giant battery in there. So my recommendation, you get the car battery, you get the C-Tech, switch it over to car mode, and in my case I left it on overnight. So now we're the following morning. I had it actually off the charger for about an hour, and to hook these up, super easy. Just clamp, that's it. First way of testing your battery is to test the voltage. So you get a multimeter. You can use these things for anything from like home electrical to automotive to any kind of, they're an electrician's best friend really. For me, I just switch mine over to volts 20, and again, red to red, black to black, and you're looking for about 12.76. In this case, our battery is reading at 12.8, probably because I just had the charger on it. So this battery seems to be holding its voltage, and it seems to be, the voltage should be exactly where it needs to be for a battery type for a car. Yours should also be a 12 volt car, so you should also be sitting around 12.76. Anything over 12.7, I would say, is pretty good. That's the first way of testing if your car or motorcycle battery is okay. The second way is with one of these giant load testers, and what this does is the load tester takes a controlled load from the car's battery, and it monitors how the car's battery reacts to that load test, and then tells you basically green for good, yellow for weak, red for bad. Again, hooking these up, super simple. Got the battery hooked up, and all you do is press the 1 button, hold it for 10 seconds, and make sure it stays in the green, not in the yellow. Perfect. Well, that battery stayed in the green both during and after the test, so that means that this car battery, even though I've killed it twice now, is actually still 100% okay. I bought this car used, so I have no idea how old the battery actually is, but for right now, everything seems to be running perfectly well. The only thing that I should add is, once you've done a load test is going to take a lot out of the battery. You're not just going to want to turn off your car. You might just find you have a flat battery in the morning again. So after you do your load test, grab your battery tender. I will link to all this stuff in the description box down below. Hook it back up. Make sure it's on car mode. Put this down somewhere where no one's going to trip, and just leave it alone for a few hours until your battery is fully charged. Once again, then you can just disconnect it, close the hood, and you're good to go. If this is your situation, your battery's all good. Hope that was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button, give it a thumbs up. If you're a big motorcycle fan, I do like 99% of my content is all about motorcycles, so please hit that subscribe button. If you're a car person, well, there's probably not much more on this channel for you, unless you're into kind of how-to stuff, learning how to tinker with motorcycles. If that's your thing, hit the subscribe button. I got plenty of tips for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Adrian from YouMotorcycle. Really appreciate your support. Thanks, guys. Ride safe. Peace.